In this lesson, we're going to be looking at parts of a circle. Our objective: understand what the area formula for a sector is, understand what the area formula for an annulus is, and understand what the area formula for a segment is. This segment is a special type of part of a circle. It's not a segment of a line. It's a little bit different. So, our vocabulary that could be very helpful is first a sector, an annulus, and a segment, and a reminder what radius is. So the shaded in regions will be kind of what we're talking about each time. We want to figure out the formula for a sector. Well, a sector is what I refer to as basically a piece of pizza. So it is a fraction or a part of the whole circle. So some of the things that we need for this is to find the area. We actually need the circle, which is r squared pi. But because we need a fraction of it, we're going to multiply by an actual fraction to start with. Now because the sector has an angle right here for a central angle, we can actually figure out that fraction pretty easily. A circle fully is 360 degrees, so the total circle is 360, so the fraction of it would be whatever the degrees are here. So we're just going to abbreviate that as DEG. So basically what it is you find the area of the circle and you multiply by the degrees of your sector over 360. An annulus I like to refer to as kind of like our donut. What it is two circles that share the same center point, and it's the outer rim between the two circles. So the idea here is actually that we have the area of one circle, the big circle here. So I'm going to use a large R to represent that it's the big circle, minus the area of the small circle. A lot of times we put the R squareds first. Okay, we've got one more part that we need to look at. The last one is known as a segment, and a segment is a little bit tougher for people to kind of see what's going on here. The idea here is I've actually put in these dashed lines. A segment is part of a sector, so we want to start with a sector, and then if you look closely, what's happened to the sector is we've taken out a triangle. So the formula for this is the formula for a sector so degrees over 360 r squared pi minus a triangle, which is just base times height divided by 2. So these are the formulas for our parts of circles. If there's any part of this that you didn't understand or you don't know how exactly what I did on the video, make sure you pause, rewind, and rewatch, and bring your questions to class. Thank you.